Hello, my kindergarten friends. It's Mrs. Gorski back, and today we are going to be doing a new game. It is called Build It. And when we play Build It, we're going to need a couple of materials here. We're going to need a 10 frame, which remember, our 10 frames are very important in kindergarten because it's teaching us and helping us how to count correctly. So remember, it's a 10 frame because there's 10 boxes in the middle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm also going to be using these, which are primary number cards, which are cards that have numbers on them that range from 0 to 10. And it's going to help us build the number that we're going to put in the 10 frame. But you're probably wondering, well, what are we going to be putting in the 10 frame? Today, we are going to be using pennies. And pennies is a coin that we use very often, and it is worth 1 cent. So it's kind of really perfect to be using it here because we're going to be counting each item by 1 anyway. So let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do, I'm going to flip over a primary number card and I'm going to put it right on my mat because that is the number that I need to make. So here I go. I'm going to take it, I'm going to flip it, and you're going to notice it's the number 5. Hat, neck, big fat belly because 5 ate too much jelly. And what we're going to do, we're going to take those pennies and we're going to fill it in the 10 frame. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I also like to do is double check. Even though I put 5 in the 10 frame, I'm going to recount because that's a really important word, recounting. I'm checking my work in order to make sure that I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they should both match. 5 is in the number, 5 was shown in the 10 frame. I also have a picture on each primary number card too that also shows 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch it up and I'm going to take my pennies off and I'm going to start a new card. So here we go. Around we go, around we go. That's how we make the number. I hope you know what this one is. I hope you said 0 because 0, you know, means nothing. So would I be putting any pennies on my mat? Nope, not this time because I'm dealing with 0 and it means nothing. So that's okay. I could take it. Now I'm going to pull another primary number card. Here I go. Ooh, it's so fun to make, I hope you said 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my cup. There's my 1 penny. 1 and 1. There we have it. Okay, time to clear it off. Get ready for a new one. Down, across, and down some more. That's how we make the number. I hope you said 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me double check my work. I want to recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 4. It matches. So we are good. Time to clear it. Ooh, take a look at this one. Around the tree, around the tree. That's how I make the number. I hope you said 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. There we have it. 1, 2, 3 to recount. 3 is here. Also my picture. Don't forget, you also have that picture helper too on your primary number card. 1, 2, 3 to help you as well. All right, time to clear it. Oh my goodness. 1 and a 0. Who's my hero? I hope you said the number 10 because you are right. So what does that mean? Now that I have the number 10, What does that mean for my 10 frame? I wonder what you're thinking. I hope you're saying, Mrs. Gorski, you got to fill the whole thing up. Because yes, I do. I have to fill it all up. You know, when a 10 frame is filled, it is going to give me 10. So here I go. But should I be rechecking my work? Should I still be recounting? Absolutely, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there is my 10, and they both match. So let me go ahead and clear it. I'm going to try one more. Let's see what comes. Ooh, cross the sky and down to the grass, because who runs really fast? It's 7. So here we go. Let's make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me recount, double check my work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And yes, they both match. So I hope you enjoyed our Build It activity, boys and girls. It's something that maybe you can do at home. If you have some materials that you could be building with, you could even have a grown-up just give you a number, and you could make that number using some materials that you might have at home, like blocks or marbles, something that you have that you can use to count. So I certainly will be talking to you soon. Have a great day, everybody.